So this is what's happening right now. I'm sorry for the really dirty windows, but that's just how they are. Yeah, this is what's going on. Extreme weather happening right now. Liverpool scored! Yes! Woo!
It's around 11:30. Still really nothing happening, although these clouds are really, really dark. They're really dark over there. I'm trying to have the camera as steady as I can, but I can't. I'm really, really zoomed in. You want to stay out here though, you don't want to go back inside just yet. Hey, come on. Come over here, come on. Come on. And to her, that was an invitation to play. Oh my, okay, now you're gonna attack me. Update number 3, I don't know if you can tell through this really dirty door, but it has begun snowing. I'm not sure how long this has been going on, maybe like 10 minutes or something. There you go, it's 1:50. As you saw out the door, it is snowing. It's not really snowing that hard. It's not coming down really fast. The wind isn't really that strong. I know in some places like New York City, it's really, really bad, but here not so much. And we're only supposed to get snow for a couple hours, and then that's it. It is kind of cold out. I think my phone said that it actually feels like it's 15 degrees out. That's stupid. Why? Hi! I forgot to put your coat on. I'm sorry. Next time I'll put your coat on so you don't get snow all over you. I'm coming! I'm coming! Olivia's foot, her back one right here, her right one. Oh no, she's limping. Her foot's frozen. Came back from being outside, a lot's changed. This is the 4th update. The wind is a little stronger. I sound like a movie, if I'm gonna be honest. And there's more snow on the ground actually. A lot more snow has fallen, and it's cold and windy. Yeah, I wish I had brought my camera because I really wanted to have a clip of the snow falling in the glow of the lights, but oh well. You can see a little, there's some snow now, and they're out cleaning the area. Well, it is Sunday, and this is pretty much all we got, really, of snow. There's Olivia. People are traveling the roads just fine. This is pretty much how deep we got. Not much. Didn't really hit Massachusetts that hard, but I know like New York got really bad and some other places as well. I think West Virginia got it really bad as well. You never hear anything of West Virginia. I kind of forget that it's a state, but West Virginia. As I was saying outside, it's actually a really nice day, and this battery is also almost dying. I thought I charged it, but I guess I didn't. And I couldn't get any footage or photos of Olivia in her snow gear, but she's getting around better in her shoes. She used to trip all the time. She knows how to walk in them a little better. I want to take all your stuff off. Come here. Let's take all your stuff off. Come on. Come on. You're stepping on your leash. Come on. Oh, and this battery's gonna die. So that's it for Jonas, or Jonas, however you want to pronounce it. It didn't really bother us much. Goodbye, not good night, goodbye, and I will vlog on Monday. Bye.